G'day. On my last hunt, I hiked into an area that I'd scouted previously with the thermal imager and seen deer, but unfortunately didn't find any. I'll put a link to that hunt video down in the description. Today I'm going to do a bit more scouting and go to some new areas. We'll hopefully find some deer sign and maybe some deer, and if things work out the way they should, we might harvest a deer. Come along on the journey. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. It's about half an hour to shooting line. I'm nearly at the first area that I scouted on Google Earth. When I get there, I'll get the thermal imager out and we'll have a look. This is the first open area. I don't know how much detail I'll get through the GoPro. It's just turned shooting light and I'm at the first spot that I plan to scout. I've had a look through the thermal imager, no joy. So what I'll do is head to the next spot. That's hunting. As you can see, it's just gone sun up on another beautiful day. It's such a privilege to be able to hunt in the state forest. So I'm just at the second open area. It's a little after sun up. I'll have a look with the thermal imager and we'll see what's here. I've headed back to the car because it's a fair way across the forest to the next spot I want to look at, and I'll be able to drive a fair way and then hike into it. One more area to look at. It's an open area that I bumped a deer in a couple of weeks ago. I've hiked into this last area and glassed it, no joy. So I'm going to head back. It's been another good trip. I've enjoyed being here. I hope you've enjoyed coming along on the journey. Thanks for watching. Got a bit of a hike up and out to get back to the car.